We know that the helicarrier is about the same size as a Nimitz-class carrier, so we can approximate the length of the helicarrier at 333 meters and its weight at 10 to the 8th kilograms. Using the length, we can find the radius of the rotors to be 7.8 meters, which gives us a total air thrust speed of 4,000 meters squared. We can plug this information into the equation shown, which tells us that the air thrust speed is 642 meters per second, which is way more than the average and impossible. But this is the speed needed to lift the helicarrier in the movie. So we plugged in an air thrust speed of 50 meters per second, which is just a little above the average of a helicopter's rotor speed today. Using this equation, we can see that the area of the air in the rotors must be 6.54 times 10 to the 5th meters squared, which is much larger than it is shown in the movie.
With our backs to the wall, the darkness will fall. We never quite thought we could lose it all. Ready, aim, fire. Ready, aim, fire. An empire's falling just one day. You close your eyes and the glory fades. Ready, aim, fire. Ready, aim, fire away.
So, in the movie, Iron Man is forced to make a human chain to save the passengers of Air Force One. Now, since Iron Man is in a suit of nearly invincible armor, let's ignore him and see how much weight the first person in the chain is holding. There are 13 people in the chain, so the top person is supporting 12 people below her. Let's assume that each person is about 130 pounds. It's pretty average for humans. So converting this to kilograms comes to about 59 kilograms. We plug this into the force equation and find that to lift 12 people at this weight, you would be producing a force of about 1,561 pounds. This is ridiculous. The human weightlifting record to date is only 581 pounds. That is nowhere near the amount needed. So, unless you want to get your arm ripped off, I'd suggest not to try this at home.
Every single face round here, a man on a mission, changing the vision. I was never welcome here. We don't have a choice to stay. We'd rather die than do it.
The Hulk in this scene is actually showing some great sign skills that we would normally associate with his other half.
When he jumps to save Tony, he grabs onto the side of the building in order to increase his impulse.
This allows him to land safely, or, well, it turned out better than it could have anyways.